Good morning all, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel. Hey, we're in the studio today and I am still organizing, so if you'd like to see what's going on, I'll flip you around and show you what's up on the floor. Eee! So right now I have been separating my different 12 by 12 pads into piles. Those are all the Paper Studio, and then the K and Company over there, or DCWV. There's Prima and some odd ones there, and then I have boxes I'm putting together. That's my Stamperia box of designer papers. Not the full ones, but you know, not like full kits, but they're all similar ones in there, and there will be 3 or 4 boxes of those. This little pile over here is all the paper I'm going to be getting rid of, plus some designer stacks in here. Yep, I'm done with those. I need to move past them and get them out of here. A lot of the boxes I haven't gotten through yet. That one down there, and then some over here. There's a couple of empties, but underneath it is 3 more that I need to go through, and 2 there, 2 under here. So, sorry, I'm moving you around pretty fast. So you can see how many boxes I have out over there, and they are all out here on the floor. So I can't really get very far in my room until I get some of this down here cleaned up. So that is what I am up to in the studio today, and I hope to make it over to get my curtain open because it seems dark and dreary in here. Of course, it's dark and dreary outside with all the rain. But what else can I tell you? I can tell you some more of my plan. My plan is to get all the paper out of these. There, that's undone projects. And stickers, 1, 2, 3 boxes of stickers. Those need to come out. They're going to be going into boxes, and those will also be for sale by the box. It will be a mystery package for whatever people get, and all the paper needs to come out of those over there. I love my washi tape. I'm still deciding about my punches. I have 2 or 3 boxes back behind that paper that are not on Etsy, but I am going to sell them by the box load right on my YouTube. And let's see, what else? Most of that is my fabrics over there and sewing supplies up above there is digital designs by other people, along with the top one right up there. And then several of these also have them. Now, I did order from Celeste. I didn't order from Celeste. Celeste had a really great idea about, well, what she uses is these little albums from Hobby Lobby. And I did order them. However, the day they were checked into the post office at 8:45 a.m., my husband were on emergency run with our dog. So, more about her later. She's fine now. Anyway, I had my order. It came in. They checked it into the post office at 8:45 a.m. and they checked it out at 8:45 a.m. to the wrong person. So my order with my little albums for all my, because I'm going to change this. I don't like this system. For me, it doesn't work. I like having them in the boxes. That's pretty nice, but I want to be able to see them. So I'm going to put them in these little albums, and I ordered 4 albums for stickers or stamps and for dies. And I'm waiting for those to come back to me. The lady that got them said that she did get a package that wasn't hers and she'd bring it back today. So this has been since Friday, and today is Wednesday. So I guess maybe she's waiting to see if somebody claimed it. I don't know. Don't know. Anyway, it's very upsetting that I have to run back and forth to the post office about my package. And what they should do, since they screwed it up, is they should go out to that lady's house, pick up the package, and haul their butt right over here with it. Sorry if anybody's a postal worker. And haul it right back over here to my address. Because I'm a business, darn it. And I'm not playing games. And I don't like having to go back and forth to the post office to try and get my package. So anyway, normally I don't have problems with them like this, but the last couple of weeks has been a fiasco with them. They must be training new people. That's all I can think of. So when they're better trained, they'll do a much better job, I'm sure. So anyway, that is where I'm at. I'm with paper today, and after paper, I am going to tackle those punches. I'm going to make some hard decisions. I don't use very many of them very often, and I think that I could maybe keep my edge punches and my corner punches, that kind of thing, and my little hole punches, circle punches. But I don't think I need a whole bunch of different edge punches. Anyway, it's a hard decision, and I've got to make it, but part of my thing is I want to get rid of all the drawers from here to here. And I want to mostly have my iris boxes, and I want to be able to stack them the 2 high, and then make it so that I can use the top of them for display or use, because they have nice tops on them. So it would be great to be able to use the tops of them, and my TV is up way too high anyway. But anyway, that's my idea, and of course these boxes will stay right here because I've got a lot of trim and lace and fabric, and there's doilies and vintage pieces down there, and those have got to stay. So anyway, I'm tackling things one by one. Today I am tackling, let me back up safely. I am tackling this floor. Going to get those ones that I'm keeping into boxes today and back up in the shelf. And this is better than it was. I had one 12 by 12 square space that I could stand in or kneel in, and it wasn't easy, but I had paper everywhere. So anyway, that's my idea for today, and I have a project I need to get busy on and get out in the mail, so I'll have to do that at some point today. So I'm going to be over there working. That's why this has got to get cleaned. Okay, so that's where I'm at in the studio today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Keep hanging out with me. I'm working on it, guys, and then we'll do a walkthrough of the room. Thanks for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up, please, and Become a subscriber. Love you guys. Bye.